Found some mountain lion tracks in the last video. I can't leave without my hiking pole. I really need that. Stay with me. All right, folks, like I said earlier, it's 1:28 p.m. November 16th, 2024. I'm going to say about 80% of this is going to be on hiking trails. The last 20% is going to be the hardest part. It's getting up to this tractor because it's on top of a mountain. Stay with me. Yeah, I'm trying to really haul ass. I had I've been looking at a lot of my previous videos. I have a clicking noise when I walk and talk. Something going click, click, click. I just stopped and figured it out. I shook my GoPro as hard as I could, and there was a light on top of my GoPro, which I never use. It looks cool, but I don't use it. I noticed that was making the clicking noise in all my videos. So I just put that in my backpack. Stay with me. Oh yeah, one thing. This was found by a YouTuber in Arizona, just sitting at home, reviewing Google Earth, Apple Maps. I gotta spin around every so often, make sure there's no critters following me or any mountain lions sneaking up on me. There's something pretty cool I spotted. Look at this. It's kind of like the beginning of winter out here, guys, so there's no rattlesnakes, but sometimes these have messages on them. Prayer stone, please do not remove. Thank you. Prayer stone, please do not remove. Thank you. I'm going to say a prayer right here.